Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel guys. This is Erica guys and I pray that you all are doing well. So guys, this is my garden. So far I started to get tomatoes. I have a pumpkin running up there. And so over here guys, the pumpkin. I have string bean. So the tomatoes start to bear. And I just cut my kale. So guys, I'll show you the kale that I cut. My pepper, they start to shoot pepper out. And guys, there you go. My pepper is growing. My string bean, I just picked some string bean from that one. My potato, my Idaho potato, they start to dry down. So I'll see later on if I get any potato. And right here, guys, this is my spinach right here. I just cut some spinach. And this is callaloo. That's my callaloo. I just harvest my second batch of callaloo. So I'm leaving this part, guys. This part to grow back to give me some more callaloo. And here is another spinach. I'm going to leave some of these spinach to grow to get seed. So guys, let me show you. That's callaloo and spinach in this box and some tomato. So let me show you what I harvest this morning from my garden. Yes, guys. So this is all the vegetables I got from my garden. So right here, guys, I have my spinach. Over here I have my callaloo. Even though my callaloo is getting seed, I'm going to take off the seed part and save it to plant back. So that's the callaloo. Over here, hold on guys, I have so much in this bowl. Right here guys is my kale. The first time I plant kale, so I get some kale. In here, right here, I get some scallion. And I also have some, um, hold on guys, some string bean right there. Let me take out the string bean. So guys, hold on. Okay guys, so right here guys, I have my kale, my callaloo, my spinach, my string bean, and my scallion. So this is all the vegetables I got from my garden today guys. My first, no, I harvest, this is the first time I harvest in the kale. The second time for the callaloo, the first time for the spinach. And I already harvest a couple times from the scallion and a lot of time from the string bean. Even though it's a handful, but I still get some stuff this year from my garden. And so guys, I just plant some new stuff. So I'll take you guys to where I plant the new stuff. Nice green leafy vegetable garden, no pesticide, a little bit of a fertilizer, but not a lot. Right here, guys, I plant rosemary. I plant a couple trees, but this is the only one that comes up. Some more sweet pepper and some more scallion and pepper. I put a thyme, but that's all I get from the thyme. So in my bucket, guys, see the stuff I plant in the bucket. The tomato them start to bear. So I'm getting tomato. They are blossoming. They blossom. Over here is stuff from my compost, guys. These are all pepper seed, pepper plant that I grow from compost. I put the seed in my compost and this is what come up. Right here you see my scallion coming up. I plant some scallion seed and there you go guys. The scallion is growing. My cilantros are oregano, I'm not sure. But over there guys, you see those are cucumber. Let me get closer guys. So this is string bean guys. So this is my string bean I planted a couple weeks ago. They are growing very well. And this is cucumber. So right here guys is cucumber. So I have to figure out a way to put some sticker or something around the cucumber. Over here the beans are running. So I'm gonna have to find a stick to run that on. So guys, you know my garden doing good this year. Very good. tomato, guys. Yes, guys, I put a little bit of fertilizer in here, but not a lot of fertilizer. Just a little bit. So, the tomatoes, see, I'm having tomato a lot right there. I have table tomatoes and I have the one that you cook with. So, and here's another potato. As soon as it starts to dry down, I'm going to pull it out and see what I get. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please continue to subscribe, comment, and share. I appreciate you for doing that. My pumpkin, they say not to watch your pumpkin too much, else it won't be here. So I'm not watching it. I'm acting like it's not even here. All right, guys. So as I said, this is the batch of vegetables I got today. And so later, guys, I'm gonna cut up all these vegetables to steam later. And I'm gonna save my callaloo seed for next year. All right. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please comment, subscribe, and share. And I appreciate you for that. Thank you so much. Have a blessed one.